Hello, this is Jay from HMS1C and this is my video presentation in group assessment. So may given table tayo dito which is class tally frequency. Yung class may 8 intervals which is 25 to 32, 33 to 40, 41 to 48, 49 to 56, 57, 64, 65 to 72, 73 to 80. Para makuha natin yung tally, hanapin lang natin dito sa may box. 55, go natin. 63, 44, 50, 57, 44, 57, 42, 46, 58, 40, 54, 65, 39, 27, 28, 56, 38, 45, 30, 35, 56, 78, 55, 27, 50, 28, 44, 28, 39, 37, 37, 65, 43, 33, 70, 60, 61, at 60. So, ayun lang kung paano natin kunin yung tally. So, yung frequency naman, kung ilan yung meron sa tally. For example, 25 to 32. Ilan ang meron tally sa 25 to 32 na range? Bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Merong 6 frequency. So, ganun lang din sa ibang number. Sa 33 to 40, meron siyang 9. Sa 41 to 48, merong 7. Sa 49 to 56 naman, meron tayong 7. 57 to 64, meron tayong 7. 65 to 72, meron tayong 3. 73 to 80, meron tayong 1. So, ipagpa-plus lang natin yung frequency. 6 plus 9, 15. 7, 22, 29, 36, 39, 40. So, ano lang natin yung highest to lowest. Yung highest dito is 78 minus sa lowest which is 27. 78 minus 27 is 61. So, yung range ng ano, i-divide lang natin sa interval. Yung range is yung sagot sa highest to lowest, which is 61, then divided into 8 intervals, which is yung dito makikita natin sa graph, 25 to 33. 33 minus 25, which is 8. Kaya nilagyan natin ng intervals 8. Then ang sagot 61 divided by 8, which is 7.6. Then ni-round out natin to 8. So ayun lang. So that's all. Thank you.